one classroom. Hold on. There you go. Welcome home, little fella. Huh? I really like that you like the dog food, but what's this? I don't remember seeing this when I put you in the car. Quincy. Quincy. Quincy? Who's that? Quincy. 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 What name is it? Wait a minute. Quincy. That must be his name. Oh, wonderful. I figured out your name. It's Quincy, right? Quincy! Come here. Quincy? Why are you not coming? Is something wrong with me? Quincy? Come here. What's wrong with me? Bud, what's wrong with me? Oh. What is that smell? I'm going to take a shower. Okay. I took a shower. Come here, Quincy. Come here. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Am I missing anything? Quincy? So what's the matter with that? Quincy? Am I missing anything? Cuddles. Cuddles. That must be his name? Oh, wait. That must be what he likes. Cuddles. 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 Quincy.
Is that a health insurance? Quincy, is that a dog that lives in our house that is right there?
Quincy. Is that a store?
Is that a store?
Stop it, please.
Look at the Cinderella in the corner.
Oh my gosh. I'm not.